Hi, boys and girls. For this five-finger retell activity, you are going to listen to the story The Boy Who Cried Wolf, read to you by Mrs. Pinio. And as you listen to the story, we want you to think about your five-finger retell. In other words, what's the setting? Who are the characters? What happened in the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. Now, after you listen to the story, you're going to look at these pictures at the bottom here. These pictures represent parts of the story. So we want you to think about which of these pictures down here goes to the setting. And you're going to cut it out and glue it in this box. Then we want you to think about which of these pictures show the characters of the story and not a beginning, middle, and end part of the story. And then you're going to look at the pictures and decide which of these pictures shows what happened in the beginning of the story, what happened in the middle of the story, and what happened in the end of the story. So you're going to cut these out one at a time and glue them down where they go. Of course, boys and girls, if you forget, you can always rewatch the video of the story.